Good morning, guys. Guten Morgen. I'm ready now. I'm waiting for my love. So, we are going in blue area. And now we're here in blue area unboxing my new treadmill. Um, well, let's see inside if it's complete in the box. And they're going to assemble this machine for us so we know how to assemble, and because later on we put this in the box again. So let's see. As you can see, they're unboxing it. It's really fresh from the box. And now they're going to take out the plastic and check the small details of it. And now they're trying to get it from the box because they're going to assemble it. This is the machine of the treadmill, and they will attach it in front so we can see if it's working properly. As you can see, two men is working on this. I hope my love can fix it by himself. Of course, I help him when we disassemble this and assemble it again on the next country. I hope we can make it. So as you can see, the man is putting the screw on it, and we're gonna try it. Of course, we're gonna try if it's working or not. So now it's almost done. As you can see, they put the machine to operate this treadmill, and it's almost done. I can see it, and they will on it, of course, so we can see if it's working properly. They screw it properly, screw it tight, and they will on it. Of course, they will on. Now you can see they will on it, and let's see if it's working. Now it's on. You can see the light of it, and the man tell how you operate this. And of course, you have to try it also, no? So I tried this, but I never show it in the video because it's too hot. So after this demo, we go home and set it in home. And now we are in the home, and as you can see, this is the box of it. But we bring it the box, of course, because we're going to put again in the box. And the machine is here. I will show you. There is it. I don't know where do I put it, which place in the house, because we doesn't have space. But for the meantime, we just put it here in the lounge. And as you can see, we bring like this the machine. We put in the car like this. So maybe in the evening we will set where do we put it. And of course tomorrow we will try. So this is my new treadmill, my new baby, the new gift for my love. I hope it will last for the rest of I don't know how many years. I'm so happy for this. And thank you, my love, for this treadmill. I really love it. I'm so happy for it. That's it, guys. Thank you. Choose.